Our 11 Investigates team discovered 27 sexual assault reports related to the Cedar Point employee dorms back in 2022. Those reports spanned a 5-year period. After WTOL sued in the Ohio Supreme Court that year for the park's police records, 14 additional records were released. Lead investigator Brian Duggar joining us now live in studio to tell us more about even more records. Brian?
Yeah, Jeff, the Ohio Supreme Court ruled in our favor back in December, ordering the park to turn over all of its sexual assault reports. That ruling has resulted in 6 additional records. We now have records related to 47 alleged incidents. Now, since filing our lawsuit, we've received 20 additional records from the park, including for incidents that took place back in 2022. So we're now talking about 47 reports during a 6-year period. And the 6 recent reports are not tied to the dorms. They involve the actual park, the parking lot, and the Breakers Hotel. Now, in the hotel incident, a female employee filed a report with park police after she said she was groped by a fellow employee in a hotel electrical room. Now, we did reach out to her, and she told us that she dropped the criminal case because the employee was fired. None of the newly discovered incidents resulted in criminal charges, which has been a common theme of our investigation. The Erie County prosecutor confirmed to me that of the 47 incidents, only 2 men have been charged. And we previously asked that prosecutor about why so few people have been charged. And Kevin Baxter says the big issue is that many alleged victims are from out of town, and they simply don't want to stick around to deal with a prolonged criminal case, and they quit cooperating with police. Now, Cedar Point tells us that they provided us with all of their reports, and there will be no reports in the future. And that's because the park's police department was stripped of its power after our investigation. Reporting in studios, Brian Duggar for WTOL 11.
And just a reminder, our 11 Investigates team has produced more than a dozen stories as part of this investigation, which first aired in May of 2022. The investigation earned a National Edward R. Murrow Award in 2023. Those stories and videos can be found on WTOL.com and on the WTOL 11 YouTube page.